deal for these technical things. A lot of it's involved completely letting go of that bike in midair. And if that wind isn't blowing the right way, as you can imagine, if you let go of your kite, it blows away. And the same theory applies to our bike. So he's still not doing any favours, but he's coming in. Let's see what he's got.
That's a really good setup for us for the second show here this afternoon. We're in a little bit of sunshine. The wind is in the right direction. This bodes very, very well. AKA Ronnie. Let's see what he's got for you guys out here today. He has aboard a new machine. Yes, Triumph have decided to work their way into the motocross circuit, producing this lovely Triumph TF250, a new bike. And Aaron has literally had just a week aboard this machine, as he will be performing at the Triumph Family Day next weekend, demonstrating the capabilities of this motorcycle. So this is the first time this bike has ever been used within a show. Now Aaron is also a new dad. His son Jackson, 2 years old, back at home. Everyone keeps asking Aaron, are you going to start tapering things off? Now you're a father, and Aaron says, no, you know what, I want to make my son proud. Let's see what he's got the next wheels. Let's take it to little sweet spot there, jumping off to the left hand side. Here on Terra Firma, I'm going to make some noise for him. Feel free to make some noise for Aaron Powley. Very, very interesting. You will see both Joshua and myself, we're both aboard a 450 machine. Aaron on that Triumph only producing a 250, so he is significantly under power when compared to both Joshua and myself. With that said, we'll go back to the action. It's the next ride out here to be introduced. Why not give it up and make some noise for Joshua Morris? Look at him go. Morris dancing. Morris grabs a hold of that grab hold, kicks his legs over to the right hand side of the motorcycle into what we call the super can position. A mascot wearing the outfit that he's riding for you live out here today with a lovely
Now that is one trick you should not be doing for your first trick of the show. That one is called the rock solid to double for jump number 1. Very nice. That one is called the knack knack.
We haven't seen that all day long, busting it out here for you guys live. For that reason, it's 20. Oh, he's gone for the Superman. It's a good one at that. Really getting a nice extension, getting that little torso itself out the back end of the motorcycle into what we call that. He makes his way in. Who's first to do? Oh, he's gone for a cliffhanger. A very solid way to start his 2-jump trick combination as he hooks a leg underneath the bars, throws his body to the sky into what we call the cliffhanger. But Aaron has yet another chance, another opportunity to try and take the win out here. Competition number 2, day 1 here at the absolutely awesome Royal Free County Shows. Here he comes. He's going for it. Another world first, guys. He did it in the first show in the rain. He's done it in the second.
Jump number 2. Now if there is one trick you should not be doing on an inconsistently windy day like we have today, it is that one right there. That is called the rock solid, one of the hardest tricks in FMX. Something you won't catch me doing, that is for sure.
Backflips as well. So there you have it, guys. We have indeed been Bolddogfmx. You guys, you've been absolutely amazing. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for coming out, checking out our show. I hope you've had a little bit of fun. Thank you, sir, with us at Bolddogfmx. So we will be back at our interactive stand.